Well, guys, a Northwest woodhound is never done. But in the last video I got all my oak blocks moved. I've got a couple right there, just next to the trailer. That's all I have left for blocks randomly everywhere of oak. But they were all here. I have just a few more just behind the trailer. And that is it. I'm out of oak. That 4-foot diameter tree at the stump, that's all that's left of it. And then today's job, after work, I went and got maple and fir. This guy said it was down about 4 or 5 months. It all appears to be cut to 16-inch, which is fine with me. I'll split it up, get it going, get it drying, and I'll go over there and fill in my holes so it can dry out faster. But I thought I would show you guys. This is gonna be quick. I think the next long video I do, I'll be splitting it all. So, but the F-250 did well after work today. So, can't complain. Plus the trailer does really nice too, with as much weight as I'm hauling. But this is roughly a cord of just rounds. But it's a nice setup for what I do. And then he's got more sitting there. Looks like about another at least truck and trailer load for me sitting there. So I would like to let you guys know I am working on a video for my parents' channel. That one's gonna be called Lawnmower Wars. So, well, I've got some ideas in my head for that one. We'll have some fun with it. I'll introduce you to my dad at the same time. Plus, it gives you an idea for what I do over on that channel. And my oak stack fell over a week ago, and I haven't bothered to go pick it up. Oh well. So anyway, my parents' channel, if you guys are interested, over there we do Mazdas and mainly automotive. It's called Atkins Rotary. Over there we typically, the goal this year is to put up at least one video a week. So if you guys want to see, give you an idea what I do during the week, figure that helps. And that's where I'll be putting the since they're my dad's lawnmowers, that's where I'll be putting up the Lawnmower Wars video, because really no sense in putting it up on my channel when they're his lawnmowers, and we'll have some fun with it. So anyway, see you guys tomorrow night in the live feed for Back 40 Firewood. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next one. So But for those that don't know, the truck and trailer is a 97 F250. So, talk to you guys later. Thanks to the new subscribers and the old ones as well. Thanks. Talk to you later.